Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to download ChatGPT app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search bar and type in ChatGPT. Once you do that, tap on search. Once you hit search, tap on the ChatGPT, and then here all you gotta do now is tap on the get button, and now all you gotta do is use your Face ID or your Apple ID to continue the download process. And once that's done, all you gotta do is wait and then use the app, and that's basically how you can download it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.